Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordanbikes, and today we have for sale this lovely Honda CBR500R. One of the best A2 category bikes in my opinion. They look awesome. This is the newer model with the LED lights as well. It's a 2019 bike and it's done just 1,174 miles from new. Really clean overall, finished off in the matte sort of grey black with the red stripes on it, and it's got ABS as well. They're immobilised, so that can help for young insurers as well. They're just a good all-round bike. I'll give it a start up so you can have a listen. And there we are. What a cracking bike this is. So if you do fancy it, please do give us a call or pop down to the showroom. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very fussy and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in. And as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching. Cheers.